Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 3x to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3. Now, what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the power of 3 on both sides. So now we have 3x to the power of x to the power of 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3. And if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 3x to the power of x to the power of 3, well, this is equal to 3x to the power of x times 3, which is simply just 3x. And this is equal to, now, a to the power of m to the power of n, this is also equal to a to the power of n to the power of m. Because essentially, both of these are equal to a to the power of m times n. So they can change places. So right here, we have 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3. And this can be written as 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3. And now, if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, then this means that a is equal to b. As you can see here, 3x to the power of 3x, both of these are the same. The exponent and the base are the same. And same with here, 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3. The exponents here are the same. Meaning, this would equal 3x is equal to 3 to the power of 3. Now, we can either do this in two ways. Our first way is doing 3 to the power of 3. Well, 3 to the power of 3 is 27, so we get 3x is equal to 27, and if we divide both sides by 3, this cancels out, and we get x is equal to 27 divided by 3 is 9. Now, our second way is 3x is equal to 3 to the power of 3. Second way is just simply dividing 3 at the start, and 3 to the power of 3 divided by 3, well, this is 3 to the power of 1, and if we have something in the form a to the power of m over a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So 3 to the power of 3 over 3 to the power of 1, this is equal to 3 to the power of 3 minus 1, which is simply just 3 squared. And for our left hand, these cancel out, and we get x is equal to 3 squared, and 3 squared is 9. So we get x is equal to 9. So that's our second way. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve the equation 6 to the power of m is equal to 60. So what we're first going to do is we're going to rewrite 60 as 6 to the power of m equal to 6 times 10. Now I'm actually going to divide both sides by 6. So now for our right-hand side, these two cancel out, so we would just be left with 10. Now this is equal to 6 to the power of m over 6 to the power of 1. Now if we have something in the form a to the power of m over a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So now 6 to the power of m over 6 to the power of 1, this would equal to 6 to the power of m minus 1. And now this is equal to 10. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the log on both sides. So now we have log 6 to the power of m minus 1 is equal to log 10. Now, using the power property of logarithms, I can actually move this exponent, m minus 1, to the front of the logarithm. So this would be m minus 1 times log 6 is equal to log 10. So now I'm going to divide both sides by log 6 so that we could move it to the right-hand side. So now these two cancel out, and we are left with m minus 1 is equal to log 10 over log 6. So now I want to move this one, so I'm going to add 1 on both sides. So now this cancels out, and I get m is equal to log 10 over log 6 plus 1. Now log 10, as we all know, is simply just 1. So we get m is equal to 1 over, now log 6, this is approximately equal to 0.7782. And we still have our plus 1. Now 1 over 0.7782 is approximately equal to 1.2850. Now we have plus 1. So now m is equal to 2.2850. So this is our answer.